Okay, we're recording video.
Okay.
Do this so I never forget it. This time I'm gonna fly it straight, FPV right from the ground.
Are you got the record
It's
thing
recording,
on?
yeah. So all right, so point the, yeah, about like that right there. Yeah.
Anything?
Yeah, it's still flyable. It's not great. It's still flyable.
How?
But I've lost it again. So no signal. All right, I'm descending. I was 1,500 feet high. No power now. I'm gonna try to stay close to us. I'm 1,000 feet away from us, straight downfield.
Yeah.
Quite high, but I've lost all video. Okay, it's back. I'm still at 1,400. Coming straight towards us, 40 feet. Come on.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
FPV.
Absolutely perfect.
Excellent. Well,
Congratulations.
that was good.
Yep.
That felt good. That was 1,500 feet high, 2,500 feet away, max distance.
Yep.
Pretty controlled, felt pretty comfortable.
Yep. Yep.
Had a couple video fuzz outs, made it a little interesting, but took off and landed FPV. I like it.
Very good. I think the altitude had something to do with the video fuzz outs.
Antenna, probably. Look in the camera thing, in the box there, you'll see what I see.
Yep.
Look out! Cool beans. Just hit the top button one time.
This?
KJ4, CTZ.